Every time I think of great golf, I think of Cheongju, South Korea, and those top golf courses we were able to find in that area. Yes, there's some great golf out here, and hopefully in the near future we'll be visiting, golfing, and growing together, trying to figure out, hey, where are those top golf courses all around the world, celebrating golf together in the hopes of finding an affordable golf course for you on your travels around this wonderful area. We're going to name the golf course down at the bottom left hand side for all pronunciation purposes. And we're going to start off with a wonderful course here that is built in 1993. This parkland style course, well, it stretches a long 6,700 meters from those packed tees. It's a par 72 that offers a lot of challenging opportunities depending on if you go for it on par 5s and not. Has a driving range and many amenities like a golf school academy. The course was built by Peter Dye, who's a famous American golf designer. More importantly, it's a tight valley type feel. It's got a beautiful views, and there's water on some of the holes, but not as much as you would suspect in comparison to those other courses. Each one has their own green, even though on some South Korean courses you'll see 2 greens on 1 hole. You can see right there, it's just navigated in the mountain. It's a wonderful course to get this list moving in the right direction and swinging us now into number 2. We have some great golf coming up, so just hang on tight as we swing it to a challenging course here. A fun, affordable experience like none other, and a country club that has a lot to offer. Well, taking a look here, you have a 4.6 out of 5 with 785 golf reviews, so yes, this is the course to play. But you want to play the South course at this resort that's open to the public. So yeah, you get out here, play some golf. You got the North, South, and you got great golf here, stretching along 3,281 meters for a par 63. It's now going to almost end the list because there's just one more course here to take a look at in this wonderful area of top golf courses from all around the world. Yeah, we don't mess around. We try to bring you those top golf courses in each parts of the world. Starting here in South Korea, we looked at an amazing one, and we're going to end the course. It's an amazing golf course, so let's zoom on out and pause for a second in hopes of writing comments down below to update this video in the near future. We will be, but we're going to base it on your comments and turn it into a Reddit type feel. So any information that you could provide would be greatly appreciated. Swinging now into number 1, we have Birdwood Golf Course, a 4.5 with 235 golf reviews to choose from. This championship golf course is nestled with the par 3 course situated right between it and putting green services for practicing. It really does have all the amenities, nearly an acre of golf just experience like none other. This resort is challenging, fun, affordable, and an experience to close the door out for a public golf course in this area. If you play this course, you already know that it's, well, one of my favorite golf courses to at least target in the near future, and that's because of its rich history, being built in 2006, stretching along 6,471 meters. Although it is private, it does end our list off with some confusion and controversy. We wanted to at least make sure that you write down your top 5 down in the comment section below. This is the Professor at Independent Golf Channel, focused on those fun, affordable golf courses in your area. If you're not watching, go play a little bit of golf today. If you're not playing, well, at least target a golf course in the near future. Formulating golf plans with the Professor now.